everyone, in today's video we will fix KitchenAid dishwasher bottom spray arm not spinning, clean jet and replace. So in the fix one you can clean the bottom spray arm. Firstly turn off the dishwasher and pull out the bottom rack. Then after unscrew or pull out the bottom spray arm, then rinse it under water and clean holes with a toothpick. Then reinstall the spray arms and spin it hand to check it working or not. The fix 2 you can check for blocked filter. Remove the bottom rack, then twist and lift out the dishwasher filter, then wash the filter with the water arm and dish soap, and then put the filter back and lock it properly. After that, you can load the dish correctly. Remove towel or large item from the bottom rack, make sure nothing is blocking the spray arm, and then spray the spin arm by hand to confirm free movement. In the fix 4, you can check water pressure. Turn off kitchen sink and check water flow. Then make sure the dishwash water valve is fully open. Then after restart the dishwasher and test a wash cycle. And at last resort, you can inspect the spray arm bearing or hub. Remove the bottom spray arm, check for crack or worn plastic in the center hub. Then replace the spray arm if it feels loose or damaged. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.